everyone, and welcome to my beautiful Halloween. I had to include a clown in this year's lineup, and this is my creation of a glam pastel clown. Super fun, really bright and colorful for Halloween. Overall, just a really cute Halloween party look. Now let's get into this clown makeup. I'm going to prime my skin using a skin smoothing primer, and I'm just working that in with my fingertips. I'm going to go ahead and bring that down to my neck and also my chest. Using a white cream base, I'm going to create a pale white clown complexion. I'm swiping this on using a flat foundation brush, then further blending with a damp sponge. With a white concealer, I'm going to highlight the face and add some coverage. I'm going to apply extra concealer on my lid as an eyeshadow base. Here I'm using a translucent powder to set all of those creams in place. Then buffing that powder into my skin with a large powder brush. Here I'm using a white face powder on a sponge to add extra brightness under my eyes and also my nose. Then I'm just using a brush to blend that all in. I'm using some fun colored pomades to give myself some clown eyebrows. I'm just following my natural shape and filling in my left brow purple. Then my right brow magenta. With the pink water activated paint, I'm going to create a diamond shape on my left eye, filling it in until I'm happy with the shape and until it covers my whole eye. I'm using a glitter primer here, and I'm just laying down a sticky base for the glitter, and I'm applying it in sections as I go. With the baby pink glitter, I'm going to fill in the whole diamond shape. Here I'm using a smudgy black eyeliner and black shadow to define the eye. Then I'm adding a few coats of black mascara. I cut up some lashes for the lower lash line, and I'm just going to go ahead and stagger them out. Now pop on a dramatic false lash. Using a yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to blend into the cheeks, temples, and chin, only on my left side. Picking up a hot pink shadow, I'm going to create a line of pink under the diamond shape. With the silvery blue shadow, I'm going to create another line on either side of the hot pink shadow, and this resembles the look of a shooting star. Here I'm using hot pink eyeshadow to create a circle at the top of my cheeks. With the Fuchsia eyeshadow, I'm going to start blending into the crease of my eye and really blow out the shape. Now I'm picking up a hot pink shadow, and I'm going to start shading the right side of my face the same way I did with the yellow shadow. Here I'm placing a sparkly yellow shadow in the inner corner of my eye and feathering that in. With a foiled blue shadow and dewy mist, I'm going to first wet my brush, then create a wing shape on the lid. I'm now creating a large circle on the top of the cheek using a yellow eyeshadow. With a smudgy black liner and black shadow, I'm going to deepen up the eye. I'm also applying a hot pink shadow under all of that black to further smoke it out on the lower lash line. With hot pink shadow, I'm going to start contouring my nose. This will help tie all of the colors together. Here I'm blending down the yellow shadow onto my cheek. Here I'm adding a bit more black shadow to the eye look. Now apply some black mascara and a false lash. With a bright blue body paint, I'm going to create some fun dots onto the lower lash line on the right eye. I also added a few dots to the temple area. I'm going to spritz on some dewy mist and then add iridescent glitter under the eye. With a duochrome highlighter, I'm going to add some glow to the skin. fill in your lips with a purple liquid lipstick. I'm going to wing out the lips into a clown mouth using the same purple lipstick and a thin brush. Apply a hot pink liquid lipstick in the center of the lips for an ombre effect. Then add purple shimmer over top. With a hot pink body paint, I'm going to add a few pink dots around my left eye. Using a white airbrush paint, I'm going to be airbrushing my neck, chest, and arms clown white. Loading in some purple airbrush paint, I'm going to start ombreing the neck. Then I'm loading in hot pink airbrush paint and I'm going to ombre down to the chest. I did go back in with the white to highlight the center of the chest and also the collarbones. I'm going to add some translucent setting powder over the top to mattify and prevent any creasing. I'm loading in some white pearlescent airbrush paint for a glowy highlight on the body. Now for the best part, the wig. I'm popping on my clown wig and here just adjusting the bangs. I also added on a hat and some ruffs for the neck and the wrist. I'm going to spritz on dewy mist and then add iridescent glitter over the top of the neck and chest area, and I also did add glitter to the lips. With silver glitter paste, I'm going to glitter up my fingertips. Then add in some fun contacts to complete the look. This is the final glam pastel clown Halloween makeup look. I hope you loved it, and if you did, be sure you like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you all for tuning in to my beautiful Halloween, and I'll see you next time.